Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. What's going on? Down here at a client's property, Joe, gonna do a quick walkthrough and show you kind of how great of a house this is for you. Really happy for you. And at the same time, guys, do a little walkthrough and show you what Joe was able to buy down here. Now, we have a 3-bedroom home. It just needs a new roof. It needs virtually nothing on the interior of this place. So we're really excited. This property was purchased for $90,000 and it's as turnkey as it gets. I know that phrase is used very often. Turnkey homes are not really a thing. This is as close as it gets to turnkey, and we've still had to do some interior work. There's still some interior work that'll be touched up before the Section 8 inspection in 2 days, and the roof is going on tomorrow. So guys, we'll kind of walk through here. Obviously we're in the kitchen, it's raining outside, so it's one of the reasons we're starting in here. But with that being said, guys, everything in here is pretty original. This house is about 20 years old, and a lot of aspects of this house are old, but they're in really, really good shape. It's one of those things where we're not fixing it if it ain't broke. We are making some slight upgrades. Of course, we're putting an entire new roof on, but for the most part, it's in really, really good shape. So here in the kitchen, guys, newer appliances. This house is fully electric. All the outlets are grounded, so we don't have to swap out the outlets to go to 2-prong. Everything in this house is all 3-prong throughout the entire thing. Newer HVAC system. It has a cage around it. I always tell my clients it's a good idea to put a cage around it, especially if it's going to be in an area that might not be the best. This home, it already has a cage on the HVAC system, so don't have to worry about that. And that's the exterior unit, of course. But the whole house, guys, is electric. This is being replaced. We're a replacement part for this oven, handle for the oven. That will be on tomorrow. We'll have our crew come through here and do kind of a final tighten up before the inspection happens. So everything looks really good in here, guys. Really, really happy with the condition of this house. Coming into this hallway right off the kitchen, we have our living room right here. It's dark. There are no ceiling lights in here. You need a lamp in this living room. It's kind of how it was designed. And then walking through this hallway, guys, everything is really centrally located, which I really like. So all 3 bedrooms are down here. We're putting every smoke detector in here is hardwired, which is rare in today's day. So we're putting a smoke detector up in here, and pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, the bathroom is in really, really good shape. If you come and check out the bathroom, really no work that needs to be done in there. Bathroom looks great. Bedrooms, guys. The bedrooms look really, really good. Okay. Flooring is really, really good. Everything in here, guys, is all laminate, so really good shape with all the flooring. The closets are really nice. Everything looks really, really good. There is a bathroom, so this is our master, okay? Full, beautiful, full bath off of our master bedroom in here. Okay, guys, I know a lot of times on the channel, you know, we are doing big or larger scale rehabs. This is one of those homes that needs some small touch-up work inside, and the majority of that rehab work is being done on the roof. When you have a home like this that's this nice, you don't want to let some of the big items slide, right? So, for example, with the roof, if we don't take care of the roof the right way, we start getting water damage in here, and you take a beautiful interior and you trash it, and it's just not worth it. When you have something that's nice, you do things the right way, and you guys know on this channel that's what we're about. So new roof going on tomorrow, and that'll kind of really cap this thing off, okay? Walking into our bedroom number 2. Really, really nice in here, guys. Plenty of outlets, all 3-prong, like I said. They're 3-prong outlets, and all new faceplates as well that we've put on. We've put a bunch of new vent covers in here as well. There is already a smoke detector in here. Closet doors are in really good shape. So just really happy, guys, with overall what kind of shape that this unit is in. And these units are out there. You can get these units if you guys are on a tight budget. You can get these units that don't need a ton of rehab, where you can put all of that money into that down payment, and that way you're saving money to continue to grow and to continue to scale. That's one way to do things, okay? Keep in mind, we're still doing considerable rehab. It's just going on the roof, which will keep this home hopefully in this condition for the next 20 to 30 years. Those new roofs will also bring down our insurance costs, which will increase our net cash flow every single month, okay? So, guys, back into the hallway. Come into bedroom number 3. Again, just really nice. Just not much that needs to be said in here. It's very straightforward. I'm really happy with this place, and Joe, I'm really happy for you. You know, guys, when we're doing these and we're buying these homes, sometimes things don't go our way. We face adversity, and I just want to credit Joe, because the financing process wasn't the easiest all the time, right? And sometimes we run into hiccups here, we run into hiccups there, but real estate investing is about problem solving. It's about handling the logistics, and it's about persevering through a lot of that adversity, continuing to push forward. And now look, you know, Joe, I'm just super happy for you. So this is something, guys, that is so attainable for you. It's so possible. And we're already have a tenant lineup. We didn't even put this house on the market. This house never even touched the market. We already have a tenant lined up before we have an inspection. I mean, it's like we're ready to go, and this house never even hit the market. So really happy for you, Joe. And guys, it's so attainable for you. This is a real possibility. If you want to get started, if you don't know how to get started, if you're reading books and reading forums and you're on this website every day and you're reading literature, shoot me an email in the link below, in the description below. Shoot me a message. We'll get you started. We'll get you on the right path and get you up and running, okay? So guys, as always, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.